Hello friend, welcome back. We have added another great feature in TestCase Studio free version and pro both. Like earlier we were not having the provision to add the assert statement or verify statement and lot more there in TestCase Studio free and pro both. But now we have added that, and thanks to one of our community users, those who are using that TestCase Studio, they shared this feedback. And this feature is very much inspired from Selenium IDE, so all the credit goes to that Selenium IDE. And let me show you guys how you can use this and how it is going to help you guys. So if you are using free version, so like you simply open this by clicking on the logo, and this opens. Once you start testing, like you start clicking here and there or whatever exploratory testing you do, if you perform any action, then you get all the steps being recorded there in TestCase Studio. Right now, suppose we want to add any statement, any other statement, any verification statement. So like in Selenium IDE, you are having a feature that you right click and you get the option. Similarly, now we have added in TestCase Studio. You see that now when you will right click on any element, there you will get this assert, store, verify, wait for, mouse over. So all these options like you used to get in Selenium IDE, here you can just click any of these options. Like let's say you want to add an assert for not editable, so you just click on this and this statement got added here. It will also capture the XPath CSS selector and the screenshot as well by highlighting that particular field. So this way you would be able to add any kind of statement. Like let's say for example you want to add a hover on this statement, to hover on this particular element. So right click and TestCase Studio here and click on mouse over, and you will see that the mouse over mouse over action is added here, and the element XPath and CSS selector. Earlier we were not having an option to add the mouse over, so this option is also good here. So you see this here. Another thing is like let's say you want to add more options, like as many as you want, you can explore this. There are many options here: verify, store, wait for. Like let's say you want to add a statement that wait for text, so you just right click and click on this here, wait for text. Also you must have remembered that when you right click on any element, like let's say you right click here on the enter mobile number field. So if you just right click and don't select any option from the context menu, then like before it used to add the right click step, that same it will do. Right click on every, like right click on whichever field you have done the right click, that it will capture. But if you click on the context menu option here, then it will not add that step and it will just add this particular step. So it will not add two step, so that it will help you that it is not going to add two step. It will just add one simple statement, whichever option you will choose from the context menu. If you will just do the context right click and do not add that option, then it will just add the right click. Okay, similarly, like if I show you in the pro version, so you just open the, like first let me close this. So now let's say you have the pro version and you are doing anything here in pro version. So like you know that pro version also supports the shadow DOM as well. So anything like you perform here, all the things will be recorded. And now we want to do the right click anywhere. So you just simply, like you can see that all the steps has been recorded. Now you want to add any assert statement or verify statement, just right click, and here you will get the in the context menu you will get the option, and then you can add any of these things like this. So you can see that assert has been added. If we will not do the assert, like let's say for example I just right click here and I didn't edit any assert statement or anything from the context menu, then it will have that right click statement. Okay, so same thing, whatever we have in free version, we have added that in pro version as well, and both has the features, this one, that you will get that option. Of course, like pro version had many other features. So yeah, if you want to explore that, you can explore. So this is the new great feature that you have it now in TestCase Studio, that you would be able to add those options from the context menu, like assert, verify, whatever. And by default, like if the test case studio window is not open, test case studio free and pro window is not open, if you right click, those options will not be appear here. So that way you will be always safe. Like you will not get more option in the context menu unnecessarily. Only if you will be using test case studio, then only it will like those options will appear. Like they will not appear if you haven't opened. This option will not come if you have an open test case studio pro version or free version. Okay, so I'm sure like you guys will enjoy this feature, you will love this feature. This is going to help a lot to save a lot more time. Like you will not have to add those steps manually. Now you can right there from the context menu, you will be able to add these kind of step whichever you want. Please do let us know your feedback about this particular feature of the context menu. Like from the context menu you will be able to add these options, add these steps. Do let us know what is the feedback, and if you need any improvement, any suggestion, do let us know in the comment section. Also you can always reach out to us on SelectorsHub website or write to us on support@selectorshub.com, and we used to keep adding more and more features. So keep exploring, keep learning about these tools. They will definitely save a good amount of time for you. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.